Alright entrepreneurs, let's talk ChatGPT. This isn't just another tool in your tech arsenal, it's a revolution in how we approach business, communication, and creativity. Imagine having a digital assistant that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to help you out. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT brings to the table. This ain't just another tech buzzword, it's a paradigm shift. We're talking about a tool that can understand and generate human-like text, making it an invaluable asset for any entrepreneur. Whether you're drafting emails, creating content, or brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT can do it all. And it does it with a level of sophistication that's truly mind-blowing. This is a total game changer. Imagine the possibilities when you have a tool that can help you with market research, customer service, and even coding. The potential is limitless. It's like having an entire team of experts at your disposal, ready to assist you at any moment. Imagine having a tireless assistant who can write anything you want 24/7. Need a blog post? Done. How about a detailed report? No problem. ChatGPT can handle it all, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, growing your business. It's like having a secret weapon that gives you a competitive edge. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. But let's dive deeper. This tool isn't just about writing, it's about transforming the way you work. It's about efficiency, productivity, and innovation. With ChatGPT, you can automate repetitive tasks, streamline your workflow, and even enhance your decision-making process. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your business. But here's the kicker. ChatGPT can do way more than just write emails. It can help you develop marketing strategies, analyze data, and even create software. The applications are endless. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in your entrepreneurial journey. And the best part, it's constantly learning and evolving, getting better with each interaction. We're talking full-blown system engineering, folks. Imagine being able to design and implement complex systems with the help of ChatGPT. It can assist you in coding, debugging, and even optimizing your software. It's like having a seasoned engineer on your team, available around the clock. Think SOPs, lead scoring, the works. ChatGPT can help you create standard operating procedures, score leads, and even develop business strategies. It's like having a business consultant, data analyst, and strategist all rolled into one. The efficiency and insights it brings to the table are unparalleled. This bad boy can automate your business like you wouldn't believe. From customer service to marketing automation, ChatGPT can handle it all. Imagine being able to respond to customer inquiries instantly, schedule social media posts, and even manage your email campaigns, all without lifting a finger. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. The secret sauce? Prompt engineering. Knowing how to communicate with ChatGPT effectively is key. It's not just about asking questions, it's about framing them in a way that gets you the best results. Think of it as learning a new language, a language that can unlock incredible potential for your business. You gotta speak its language. The better you get at it, the more powerful ChatGPT becomes. It's like having a conversation with a highly skilled professional who understands your needs and can deliver exactly what you're looking for. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. That's where the CCC framework comes in. Clarity, context, and creativity. These are the three pillars that will help you get the most out of ChatGPT. Be clear about what you want, provide the right context, and don't be afraid to get creative. This framework will guide you in crafting prompts that yield the best results. Think of it as your cheat code to unlocking ChatGPT's true potential. With the CCC framework, you'll be able to harness the full power of this incredible tool. It's like having a master key that opens up a world of possibilities. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and the more value you'll derive from ChatGPT. Ready to revolutionize your business? Let's dive in. The future is here, and it's powered by ChatGPT. Embrace this game-changing technology and watch your business soar to new heights. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and make magic happen. The CCC framework, context, constraints, clarity. This is a powerful tool designed to help you craft prompts that are not only effective, but also efficient. By following this framework, you can ensure that your interactions with ChatGPT are productive and yield the best possible results. This is your roadmap to crafting killer prompts that get results. Think of it as a guide that will lead you through the process of creating prompts that are clear, concise, and compelling. With the CCC framework, you can navigate the complexities of prompt creation with ease. Context is king. Give ChatGPT the background info it needs. The more information you provide, the better the AI can understand the nuances of your request. This includes the who, what, when, where, and why of your prompt. By setting the stage with detailed context, you enable ChatGPT to generate responses that are relevant and accurate. What's the task? Who's the audience? These are critical questions that need to be answered to provide the necessary context. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or creating content, understanding the task and the audience will help you tailor your prompt to meet specific needs. Don't be shy, the more context the better. Think about the details that could influence the response. Are there specific points that need to be addressed? Is there a particular style or tone that should be maintained? The more you can share, the more equipped ChatGPT will be to deliver a response that hits the mark. Next up, constraints. Set those boundaries. Constraints are essential for guiding the AI's response. They help define the scope and limits of what you're looking for. This can include word count, specific formats, or any other limitations that are important for your prompt. Word count, style, tone, be specific. These constraints ensure that the response you get is tailored to your exact needs. For example, if you need a brief summary, specify the word count. If you want a formal tone, make that clear. The more precise you are with your constraints, the better the output will be. ChatGPT thrives on clear instructions. Ambiguity can lead to responses that are off the mark. By providing clear and detailed instructions, you help the AI understand exactly what you're looking for. This clarity is crucial for generating high-quality responses. Finally, clarity. Make your prompts crystal clear. No jargon, no ambiguity. Clear prompts lead to clear responses. Avoid using complex language or industry-specific jargon that the AI might not understand. Instead, use simple and straightforward language to convey your message. Think of it like giving directions to a friend. When you give directions, you aim to be as clear and precise as possible to ensure your friend reaches their destination without confusion. The same principle applies to crafting prompts for ChatGPT. Simple and straightforward wins the race. Overcomplicating your prompts can lead to misunderstandings and less effective responses. By keeping things simple, you increase the likelihood of getting the response you need. Master the CCC framework, and you'll be churning out ChatGPT masterpieces in no time. With practice, you'll find that using this framework becomes second nature, and your interactions with ChatGPT will be more productive and satisfying. So, start implementing the CCC framework today and watch your prompt crafting skills soar. Want to build a well-oiled machine? SOPs are your best friend. And guess what? ChatGPT can write them for you. Imagine this prompt. Create a detailed SOP for onboarding new customer service reps. Include a step-by-step guide for using our CRM system. Boom! ChatGPT delivers a comprehensive SOP that's clear, concise, and ready to implement. No more wasting hours on tedious documentation. ChatGPT frees you up to focus on what matters, growing your business. With ChatGPT handling your SOPs, you can scale your business faster than ever before. Time is money, entrepreneurs. In the fast-paced world of business, every second counts. Whether you're a startup founder or a seasoned executive, you know that efficiency is key to success. The ability to quickly identify and act on the best opportunities can make or break your business. That's why it's crucial to have a system in place that helps you focus on the leads that are most likely to convert into paying customers. You need to focus on the hottest leads. But how do you determine which leads are worth your time? Traditional methods of lead scoring can be time-consuming and often rely on guesswork. This is where advanced technology comes into play. Imagine having a tool that can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds and provide you with a clear, actionable list of your top prospects. This is not a futuristic dream, it's a reality with ChatGPT. That's where ChatGPT's lead scoring prowess comes in. ChatGPT leverages the power of artificial intelligence to transform your lead scoring process. By using sophisticated algorithms and machine learning techniques, it can sift through your customer data and identify patterns that indicate a high likelihood of conversion. This means you can spend less time on manual data analysis and more time closing deals. Feed ChatGPT your customer data and watch it work its magic. The process is simple yet incredibly powerful. You start by inputting your existing customer data into the system. This can include information such as demographics, past purchase behavior, and engagement metrics. ChatGPT then processes this data and generates a lead scoring model tailored to your specific business needs. It can analyze demographics, behavior, and purchase history to identify your most promising prospects. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also take into account more nuanced factors such as social media interactions and website activity. This holistic approach ensures that you get a comprehensive view of each lead's potential value. Here's a prompt to get you started. Develop a lead scoring system based on these parameters: website activity, email engagement, and social media interactions. By focusing on these key areas, you can gain insights into how engaged a lead is with your brand, and how likely they are to make a purchase. This targeted approach allows you to allocate your resources more effectively and maximize your return on investment. ChatGPT will create a custom lead scoring model that helps you prioritize your sales efforts and close deals faster. Imagine the impact on your bottom line when your sales team can focus their efforts on the leads that are most likely to convert. This not only increases your chances of closing deals, but also improves the overall efficiency of your sales process. Stop wasting time on dead-end leads. We've all been there, spending hours chasing leads that go nowhere. It's frustrating and unproductive. With ChatGPT, you can eliminate this wasted effort and focus on the leads that matter. This means more successful sales calls, more closed deals, and ultimately, more revenue for your business. Let ChatGPT point you towards the gold mine. The future of lead scoring is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Embrace this technology and watch your business grow. With ChatGPT, you have a powerful ally in your quest for sales success. So why wait? Start leveraging the power of AI for your lead scoring today and unlock new levels of efficiency and profitability. Section 5. Prompt Engineering Power Moves. Want to take your ChatGPT game to the next level? Here are some power moves. Specificity is key. The more specific your prompts, the better the output. Don't be afraid to get granular. Examples are your friend. Give ChatGPT examples of what you're looking for. It's a fast learner and will pick up on patterns quickly. Iterate, iterate, iterate. Don't settle for the first draft. Refine your prompts and experiment until you get the results you desire. Remember, prompt engineering is a skill. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Section 6. Real-world wins, ChatGPT in action. Don't just take my word for it. Businesses are already seeing massive wins with ChatGPT. A marketing agency used ChatGPT to generate hundreds of personalized email campaigns, resulting in a 300% increase in their click-through rate. An e-commerce company used ChatGPT to create product descriptions that were so compelling, they saw a 20% boost in sales. These are just a few examples of the incredible results businesses are achieving with ChatGPT. Section 7. The future is now, ChatGPT's potential. We're just scratching the surface of what ChatGPT can do. As the technology continues to evolve, the possibilities are limitless. Imagine ChatGPT automating your entire customer service department, generating personalized marketing materials in real time, or even writing code for your next big product launch. The future is here, entrepreneurs, and it's powered by AI. Section 8. Your ChatGPT journey starts today, so what are you waiting for? Jump into the world of ChatGPT and start experimenting. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll unlock its incredible potential. There are tons of resources available online. Join communities, watch tutorials, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Section 9. Gary's final thoughts. ChatGPT is a game changer, plain and simple. It's time to embrace the future of work and leverage the power of AI to build the business of your dreams. Get out there, experiment, and hustle harder than ever before. You got this.